Hello students, welcome to your English class. This is your Goldfish English Primer book, Part C. Open page number 11. Today we will revise sound of vowel O. Letter O sound is O. So let's start. Letter O, letter Y sound is Oi. B says B, Oi, boy. C says K, Oi, koi. J says J, Oi, joy. T says T, Oi, toy. S says S, Oi, soy. Next line, letter O, letter X sound is ox. B says B, ox, box. C says K, ox, cox. F says F, ox, fox. P says P, ox, pox. I repeat again. B, B, oi, boy. C, K, oi, koi. J, J, oi, joy. T, T, oi, toy. S, oi, soy. B, B, ox, box. C, K, ox, cox. F, ox, fox. P, P, ox, pox. Okay students, read carefully. Bye bye, have a nice day.